Hello guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to create a historical POV video with AI. So in order for you to create this video, you need to have the following tools. You need to have ChatGPT and you need to have any of these two. You need to have Clean AI or Pixverse and you need to have free sound and you also need to have CapCut. As you can see, this is CapCut, the PC version. So let's get started. You need to click here on create
image.
We are going to click here. As you can see, it's generating the image. It won't take so much time. As you can see, this is the image. So all you have to do now is to click on download. Click on this icon here to you to download. So you can see the image has already downloaded. Now, as I had told you, you can use any of these two AIs. You can use the Clean AI or the Pixverse, but I had prefer using the Pixverse. So you are going to choose this image now. You're going to come here and choose the image. Just need to press on open. So you are going to key in the command as the image is loading. So you are going to write the following command. So all you need to do is to press here on create. Now as the video is generating, you need to go to the free sound. And for you to navigate this app, you need to make sure that you log in. So if you don't have an account, you can join. So I'm just going to. So once you have created an account, it should look like this. So you are going to go to the search bar and search for the specific sound. For mine, I'm going to write people talking. As you can see, this is the result. So you are just going to choose from a wide variety of sounds, the one that you will like, or maybe to your preferred preference. So I can just choose one. Maybe I can choose this one for the city, and then I can play. So you can just forward this video. Let's just play another video. Now this one seems interesting. So I'll just click on the image and remember I told you you need to log in order to download the sound. You cannot download the sound unless you have logged in. So I'm just going to download this sound and then I'll just wait for it to download. Meantime, let's check whether the image has finished. As you can see, the image has finished generating. So you are just going to scroll down and hit the download button. So you are just going to download it. So as you can see here, I have two sounds, a video and a sound. So on to the next step is I need to put them in CapCut. So I'm just simply going to drag these images, or rather the video, or rather I can choose from my downloads. It seems that my image has appeared here. So for the next step, I'm going to add the sound. So as you can see, I have a video of people in the street and a sound. So we'll need to put all this in place now. So on to the next step is we need to drag these videos here. in order for us to enable them to be editable. So you are just going to drag this image here. So on to the next step is you can try and remove the watermark if you want. This is how you remove the watermark. You just place on that icon and you zoom a little bit. As you can see, the watermark is gone and the video is still fine. So all you need to do is now to drag the audio. So you can see now that is the audio. So you need to go to the video, audio. So you need to play where you like your image to be or where it matches your preference. You can listening. So once I'm satisfied, I can come here, select this image from here, and I'll just click on this image here. Let's say from this point to this point, since it's a 5-second video or rather 6-second video, I'll just press on split and select a 5-second. Yes, so can select split and I select this part here, and I can select the other part and delete. And this other part, I can select delete. So once you have this part, you just simply take it here. So this is how the image looks like and the audio after being put together. So they kind of resemble each other. So you can just continue on repeating the same process until it becomes a full video. So all you need to do now is to just press import and your video is all done. So you can just continue on doing it this and hopefully you can create maybe a 5-minute video. That is how it's done. So if you found this content useful, consider subscribing and tell me whether this method is an effective method.